know y'all haven't seen me in a vlog in a minute, but I decided to vlog today because it is New Year's Eve. It's like 2 in the morning. Well, not the morning. It's like 12. And I'm going to Philly today to see my friends from college. I saw them in one of my vlogs earlier of this year in January. So yeah, right now I'm going to the store to get me some snacks and stuff to eat for the bus ride. So yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry I'm eating. But I gotta eat something before I get on the bus. I got me some snacks too. So, yeah, eating a butter roll right now. Chilling in here watching some documentary thing called Dope. Like, I like watching documentaries about drugs and shit. I don't know why. But, yeah, just waiting. My bus leaves at 4. I'll probably get to Philly at like 5. I mean, 5. At like 6. And my friend LaShawn is picking me up. Make sure y'all subscribe to LaShawn, page, YouTube channel. She vlogs and stuff too. She does challenges, all types of stuff. I'm gonna leave the link to her channel in my description. So yeah, y'all seen her before in my vlogs, like I said. But make sure y'all follow her. She's popping. I'm gonna continue to eat because I know y'all don't want to see me eat because that's ghetto. And I'm gonna talk to y'all in a few.
Man, you better get.
She in urgent care right now, you said?
She said she's on her way from
Lord. Made it to Philly. Hey Sean, hey Crystal.
Crystal. She don't like being on video.
Well, you gonna be on it today. No, I'm just kidding. You gonna be on it today. But yeah, made it to Philadelphia for Sean's birthday and New Year's Eve. Oh, this light.
Oh, they close at 7. So
He's trying to get to the liquor store. I don't know why Crystal ain't go to the liquor store in New York. Lord, it's New Year's Eve. It's about to close. Hopefully we make it.
it's not. It's right there.
You better hope they let us in because they be start locking the doors and stuff. So we gonna see. It's cold as fuck. My hands is freezing. Oh no. I don't know. I'm following her. It's cold. It's cold as fuck. My hands is freezing. It don't gotta be this cold though.
No, it's down no more.
This fucking pinnacle bring back so many bad memories of Lincoln and fucking Seneca. Especially the light one. Ugh. Make my stomach hurt looking at this shit. Smirnoff wasn't that bad, but bad nights with that too. What else they got in here? Crystal lucky that they let us in. When you walk in these Philly streets by yourself, cause they ain't want to wait for you to get your drink for your Chipotle. Yeah, hopefully I don't get lost, but it should be like down the block. But I'm not a fake, so if anybody in Philly try me, bitch, just know I ain't no easy win, nigga. Hello, people, I'm back. Makeup done, don't look that cute, but you know, it'll do. Hello. Vest on, ain't got my shoes on yet, you know. Bam. Bam. Ashley over there somewhere, you know.
Yep, I am.
We about to go out there and, you know, be social. Even though I don't feel like it, but you know, I'll be nice.
Don't be humble.
I'll be nice or whatever. You know. Let me stop.
Like wherever you bring in the new year at, that's where you be at all year. You never looked up and down, you know that? Well, that might be a good thing. A hotel all year. As long as you know you ain't living in it. Yeah.
Nigga said as long as you ain't living in it.
Everybody for coming. Clink, 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 clink.
I don't know about this.
Oh, wait, oh, damn, it's all on my finger.
Wilson, that's the first time ever in my life I took a chill shot.
Ooh.
Nah, that was smooth.
That
wasn't that bad.
No,
yeah, they like, ooh, I want another one.
No.
I thought they talking about that shit was nasty.
I had a chill shot of Corona.
No.
I didn't say that. I said it was
Yes, Chris, you better learn this blackjack.
You normally stay? Yeah. Because I got to hit again. But you got to risk
First of all, I heard the whole town. I was
But
Party here now.
I'm showing
dead.
you're going to always see, when you play in the dealer, you always see 1 or 2 cards.
okay.
You see 2, right?
Yeah.
You got a 3, they will tell you to stay.
I'm gonna take this.
Yes. Okay. Let me get the shoes. Ooh. Yes, fur and everything, okay? Ain't nobody cold, okay? Look out for them all. 2018. Yes, birthday! Looking like a snack. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Oh, you was
I didn't get
not excited.
my candles on my birthday.
You ain't finished getting dressed till.
Right, it was like 10 minutes before.
I don't want to take this.
She's trying to fix these.
Why?
Why? You look actually happy.
Don't fall into it. Come on.
I didn't think you was going to take it.
We're going to spend 30 minutes taking pictures.
Oh, right there. Somebody got to catch the right angle. That's it. It's a lot.
Leg.
Everything. I mean, the word is cool. It's just hold it. Hold it.
She tries hard.
I still got a bad knee. She's like,
Remember, that's how that email went.
it did.
They took me forever to remember my mind.
Oh, you wasn't there that day, okay? I
All right,
one
come on,
day.
y'all.
Yeah, you wasn't there.
No, he
Y'all
wasn't
ready?
there.
Everybody take a turn, right?
Yeah, everybody pick up a card.
Can y'all come on? Y'all over there?
Taking shots.
We are playing. We playing King's Cup.
Who took my cup?
I'm talking negative about
I had a cup right here.
You like it.
That one.
I just know this shit is not turned.
All right, y'all ready? I'm starting.
Go ahead, start.
All the way over here on this side of the cup, though.
Who does?
That's what Frank told me.
Right, wait.
9 is
Rhyme.
Rhyme.
I'm trying to learn.
I'm gonna lose.
We going this way, right?
Oh, no. Okay.
All right, y'all ready? Pay
Yeah.
attention. Cash.
Listen.
Rat.
Matt.
What? She said cat. She said rat.
You no, he lost.
He lost. You said cat.
You gotta rhyme whatever she says.
She said cat. Cat. Look at you, Nate.
All right, let's start over. Listen, pay attention, Janae.
I heard cash.
She
Cat.
said cab.
Rat.
Matt.
Dap.
Pass.
He said death.
said that.
I'm dapping you. I'm dapping you.
That's not red. We
That don't rhyme.
Yes, it does. Rat, cat, nap, dap. She said nap. She said nap. He said
I said
dap.
Matt.
He
Oh,
said
I was
Matt.
like, I know. I said net.
I said pass.
Dap is the
Take
same
a shot.
thing.
What you want a shot of?
You're fucking shy.
Go get them little shot drawings.
Ash, keep passing
Get
it
those.
That's what you take a shot
I'll get you Uber.
You driving what?
I'll get you Uber if you that messed up. I'll pay for it.
I'm driving yours, right? I got it.
Can you pass me your name?
Last card, Nay.
Nay, that's the last card.
Last card, Nay.
You good.
Do it.
Go ahead, you can add
Nay got
juice
the
to
last
it.
king cup.
Go
Which
ahead.
cup was it? Was
That
this
one, yeah, add juice to it.
What's in there? Wine?
Nay,
It's wine, Paulie,
Nay, guess what?
Tequila.
and Jose.
I ain't drinking this.
Do it.
Taste that joint.
At least taste
Take a
it.
sip. Take a
Taste
sip.
it.
Y'all know.
Take a
I
sip.
don't be
She
tasting
gonna be like,
nothing.
it's too
That's why I said put juice in it.
Tequila.
At least a taste.
It's too strong. It's waterfall again. Here. Give me that 8 too.
Ooh, look at me.
Add the juice
That's
to
nasty.
it.
Add juice to
I
it.
took it, Lola. It's not like no waxing. There we go. There we go.
This is ghetto. They are. They supposed to sparkle as soon as you light them.
Yes. Use this red shit. Come on, blow them out.
What the hell y'all doing?
Yay.
That was so trash.
It lit back up though.
Oh, they trick candles.
You about to check on here.
Here you go.
Nigga, I'm hungry.
It's all.
They up so early. Like I'm still dead. Like, but I guess I gotta get up. Happy New Year, guys. That's what I gotta say.
I be listening to the song in the morning. My mom be like, "Why are you listening?" I be like, "Cause I ain't stressing." Dropping dick off.
Dropping dick off. Ah, fuck. Ow.
Ooh. Nigga, get him. I'm the only person that find him like stupidly funny.
Nah, he's bad funny.
This nigga is dead. Oh my god, what you mean?
Tell me what you think about me. I got my own feelings and I got my own reasons. I'm hearing this feeling when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get
Oh, this your shit?
question. Tell me how you think about this. How to control me before you think business. Ain't my own product and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shine on my feet, I'm wearing.
Team, we gonna do what we gotta do this year, man.